you mind if I video?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Come on in. If you want, sit down there if that helps. Take the way of feet.
Oh, look at all them dials.
You had a good time? Good holiday?
Yeah.
How old are you?
9.
Are you? My son plays Fortnite and he just like goes mad. How much do you play it?
A little bit. Not every day.
Oh, okay, yeah. Does dad don't like it too much? He plays it every day, yeah. I know it drives me around the bed. Yeah.
I'm his granddad, by the way.
Say, what's your name?
Logan.
Logan. I tell you, Logan, I got to stretch my legs, so we'll swap round. You can jump in here for a second, okay?
Oh.
So dump your rucksack on the floor. Just stay there. Dump your rucksack.
Don't touch anything, otherwise we'll take off.
Oh, it'll be all right. Yeah. Go on, Logan. Jump on in there. I'll put your bag out here. Hello.
How wicked is that then?
Comfy.
Right, swing your leg up a little bit. Yeah, you can hold the controls. That's right, and then look round at your granddad.
That is wicked, eh?
There you go.
You're a pilot. Lots of switches and dials there, isn't there, son? Aye, lots of computers to play with there.
Just press all the buttons.
They all get pressed at least once.
Pardon?
They all get pressed at least once. You have a nice holiday then?
Yeah.
We're going to get out. You sit back down, I'll slide you back out.
You on the front.
Thank the captain.
Ready?
There you go.
Thank you.
Thanks for visiting.
Thank you very much. Thanks very much, mate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, just go stay.
Thank you, captain. Cheers, mate.
Oh, you're
Thank you.
welcome.